Good morning, everyone. I am happy to report that the Fiero is running. Got the new battery in and just literally waiting on the tow truck driver to get here to take it to the shop. But I did want to show you something for the new Fiero owner. You know, we discussed in a previous video how to tell if your alternator is bad, alternator or battery. So I know it's not a battery because that is a brand new battery. But if your car is running and you see that little red light on the dash, then you have an alternator issue. Another way to check that is take your battery to AutoZone or somewhere like that and get them to check it to make sure that it's it's got the proper voltage and all that good stuff. So when that red light comes on, you have alternator issues. So just a quick little update. Like I said, the tow truck ought to be here anytime now, and we're getting a new alternator put in, new alternator belt, and then she'll be going to the paint correction shop and coming out looking perfect. Thanks for watching and have a great day.